Meaning of impartially.
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 Impartially. The term impartiality refers to the quality of being unbiased and fair, without favoring one side over another. When someone is acting impartially, they are not swayed by personal feelings or preferences, but rather rely on objective criteria to make decisions or judgments. This is particularly important in fields like law, journalism, and scientific research, where objectivity and fairness are essential for maintaining credibility and trust. Ultimately, acting with impartiality ensures that all parties are treated fairly and that decisions are made based on evidence and reason, rather than any personal biases or interests.